2026 BMW R 1300 RT, the ultimate sport touring machine. If you're looking for the perfect blend of luxury touring comfort, high-tech features, and legendary BMW performance, then the 2026 BMW R 1300 RT deserves your attention. This motorcycle continues BMW's tradition of crafting world-class touring machines while introducing upgrades that make it more refined, more powerful, and more rider-focused than ever before. Design and comfort. At first glance, the 2026 R 1300 RT stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic fairing, integrated LED lighting, and elegant touring silhouette. BMW has fine-tuned the bodywork not only for looks, but also for wind protection, ensuring long-distance riders stay comfortable at highway speeds. The ergonomics are all about comfort. A plush, adjustable seat, heated grips and seats, a large electronically adjustable windscreen, and plenty of luggage space, with hard saddlebags designed seamlessly into the bike's profile. This bike is built for riders who love covering hundreds of miles in absolute comfort. Engine and performance. At its heart, the R 1300 RT is powered by BMW's 1300cc ShiftCam boxer twin engine. With a smooth surge of torque across the rev range and more than 140 horsepower on tap, this machine effortlessly eats up highways while still being agile in the corners. BMW's ShiftCam technology ensures the bike delivers both efficiency at low revs and raw performance when you open the throttle. Paired with a slick 6-speed transmission, dynamic traction control, and optional quickshifter, the ride feels both sporty and refined. Technology and rider aids. The 2026 BMW R 1300 RT is packed with cutting-edge technology designed to keep the rider safe, connected, and in control. Some standout features include a massive 10.25-inch TFT display with full-screen navigation and smartphone connectivity, adaptive cruise control with radar-based safety features, multiple riding modes for different conditions, cornering ABS and advanced stability systems. BMW has also introduced active suspension that automatically adjusts damping and preload depending on the road and riding style, ensuring a smooth and confident ride at all times. Riding experience out on the open road, the R 1300 RT feels planted and stable. The new chassis design improves weight distribution, making the bike more nimble despite its touring size. Cornering is surprisingly effortless, with the boxer engine keeping the weight low and the handling balanced. BMW's engineers designed this machine for long-haul riders who refuse to compromise. Whether you're cruising through mountain passes, gliding down highways, or tackling city streets, the R 1300 RT adapts seamlessly. Safety and innovation. BMW has always led the way in motorcycle safety, and the 2026 R 1300 RT pushes the boundaries further. With radar-assisted safety features, the bike can automatically maintain distance from vehicles ahead and even warn the rider of potential collisions. Combine this with lean-sensitive ABS, traction control, and BMW's latest rider assist technologies, and you've got one of the safest touring motorcycles on the planet. Touring luxury. Touring riders will appreciate the small details that make big differences on long journeys. Keyless ignition, integrated audio system, optional comfort packages, and excellent fuel efficiency for its class. This is a motorcycle designed not just to ride, but to travel the world in style. Final thoughts. The 2026 BMW R 1300 RT is more than just a touring motorcycle. It's a luxury sport touring flagship. It combines BMW's engineering heritage with modern-day innovations, making it one of the most desirable long-distance motorcycles of 2026. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or crossing continents, The R1300 RT promises power, comfort, and technology in perfect harmony.